The HD PLB Subwoofer Stick is an extremely compact, viable subwoofer in the elegant column speaker design of the HDPL series with amazing low-frequency response for combination with any top speaker for full-range applications. The unobtrusive HDPLB subwoofer element consists of 10 powerful 3.5 inches high excursion drivers, which provide a unique sound experience. These drivers, with a continuous output of 150 watts RMS, a frequency range of 40 to 160 Hz and a maximum sound pressure of 115 decibels, make the HDPLB one of the most powerful yet compact column subwoofers currently available. Its slim, compact design allows it to be perfectly integrated into the environment, making it ideal for invisible applications in conference rooms, restaurants, museums, theaters, or churches. The PLB subwoofer is easy to install and blends unobtrusively into the architecture thanks to its slim design. Whether you place it in the lower room area, on the sides, or on the ceiling, the PLB subwoofer makes bulky full-range speakers unnecessary and enhances the low-frequency reproduction in combination with ceiling or column speakers. Harmonic Design is the first manufacturer to offer a unique combination of subwoofer and top unit in one cabinet to form a true full-range column speaker. Thanks to Mix and Match, you can combine your PLB subwoofer with speakers from selected HD series. Your favorite mid-high speaker in elegant column design gets additional subwoofers to reproduce the entire frequency spectrum dynamically and at the same time unobtrusively. Whether you want to use it in acoustically demanding rooms such as a church, the PLB delivers controlled bass without being seen. Even in foyers or to support presentations in conference rooms, you get crystal clear sound from your top speaker and emotional bass from the PLB. But convince yourself of its qualities and make an appointment at our headquarters today and let work its simply harmonic sound on you.